Today we're diving into the present simple tense. The tense we use for everyday life. Think of it as your daily English tool. We'll look at what it is, how it works, and how to handle those tricky S and S endings. Ready for a fun grammar ride? Let's go! We use the present simple to talk about habits, facts, schedules, and instructions. Things that are true in general or happen regularly. Let's break it down with examples and visuals. You'll soon see how useful it is. This is the usage one use of the present simple. Anytime you talk about what you or others do daily or often, you use this tense. Key time words to remember: always, never, every day, on Mondays, etc. Let's read some examples together. Can you make one about your own routine? Facts don't change, so we use present simple. Think about science, geography, nature, or general truths. These are things that are always true. Let's look at these examples. Bonus: which one surprised you the most? Even though these are future events, we use present simple because the schedule is fixed. Planes, trains, school timetables, movie times, they all follow routines. When you give directions or steps, like in a recipe or how-to guide, use the present simple. Open, click, add. These are all base verbs. This chart shows how to make positive present simple sentences. Rule: only with he, she, it. We add s or s to the verb. Let's practice a few. She eats, not she eat. To say something is not true, we add don't or doesn't. Remember, don't for I, you, we, they. Doesn't for he, she, it. The main verb goes back to its base form. No s here. To ask a question, we put do or does at the beginning. Do they like football? Does she study every night? Again, the main verb stays in base form, just like in the negative. Now for the most common mistake learners make, adding s or s. You only do it with he, she, it, or a singular noun like my dad. Most verbs just add s, but some need s. If a verb ends in these letters, ss, sh, ch, x, o, z, add s instead of just s. Wash becomes washes, fix becomes fixes. Here's a spelling trick. If a verb ends in a consonant y, like study or try, change the word I and add s. Study, studies. But if it's a vowel y like play, just add s. Plays. Can you think of other verbs with y endings? This is your quick reference chart. Let's go through the examples together. Time for you to practice. Fill in the blanks using what we've learned. Here's everything we've learned in one place. When to use present simple, how to form it, positive, negative, question, the s/s/es rules. You're now ready to use this tense in your real life. Keep practicing.